Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another programming stream. So today, we're kind of just winging it, but I want to try making this into a third-person game. So if you remember where we left off last time, we had you could play, you could move our little square around and jump, and you could collect the coins. And you could actually go to the next level. Man, he moves so slow. But yeah, you could go to the next level, and for some reason you move faster on the next level. I think the Unity preview thing is a little weird. And if you got hit by the squares, it says game over at the bottom. But we never implemented game over. But yeah, that's about where we are. So what I'd like to do, if I want to make like a bigger level, we're gonna need some kind of third-person camera, right? If we want it to be like Mario. And so I was looking into what we should do for this, and there's this Cinemachine plugin. And so I wanted to give this a shot. So what we want is a free-look camera. And we'll call this third-person camera. And what we probably want to do, let's see, it really changed the view, didn't it? I'm surprised the preview pane changed so much. Before we do that, I want to actually mess around with my player a little bit, actually. How do I get back to, maybe I'll delete this. Oh no, we're still not. Where are we? What happened? Is it broken? Wow, that really messed up my thing, didn't it? Where did everything go? This is what happens when you when you just wing it. Let's see. How do we get back to the camera? What if we hit undo? There we go. Okay. Well, first off, let's try. I did want to modify my player a little bit, because right now it's just a square. You really don't have any idea where he's facing, right? Let's see, how did you move the camera here? Man, am I really just, because I'm on the stupid, oh, it's because I was in this other tab or something. That's all my UI. Where's the game, actually? Where did the game go? Yeah, because we were working on the UI. But I don't know where the game went off to. How do I do that? There's the camera. Oh, that added a camera to the character. No, I don't really want to do that. Let's see, that's the main camera, but where? How do I get to it in this scene? I mean, there it is right there. How in the world do I get to it? Man, I'm such a Unity noob. Let's see, there must be a way. Let's see, scene camera. must be a way to like center the camera on somebody, right? And I guess I have to look this up. How do I do this? Okay, we can select the object and put our cursor over the scene and press F. Okay, that seems to have found it, but okay, so we're looking at it from the side, it looks like. How do I rotate the camera? I can't remember. It's not right click or left click or middle click. I thought there was some way. I thought it was like you hold Alt or something. Man, how do I? Right, well we found one thing at least. How in the world do we rotate the camera? Oh, click the padlock icon to the top right of the scene gizmo. I don't see a padlock icon. Alt left click. I thought I tried that. Let's see, there's also if you right click something, go to the game object menu. I don't see a game object menu. Oh, game object. And then there should be a line view to selected. Maybe I can do it with the camera. That got us top down. And why can I not rotate? Oh, there's the lock button, but we're not locked currently. It really seems like you're supposed to be able to use Alt left click, but it's not working for me. That's right click. That's left click. Man, I am having a hard time here. It looks like you're supposed to be able to use Alt left click. There's like shift doesn't do anything. Let's see. Someone says you can play the game and then stop it. It doesn't fix it either. Let me try just closing Unity and reopening it. Because you never know, right? Well, we're definitely off to a great start. Oh man. How's everybody going today? Oh, there's a new version of the Unity editor. I thought I actually downloaded this though already. I swear I just installed it. I guess it's still launching the old one. And we're not gonna get very far if we can't rotate the camera. Let's see, why can I not rotate the scene view? There's an XYZ in the top corner. Where? Grid snapping. This is what middle mouse button does. And alt middle, control middle, shift middle. And none of that seems to work. So I'm not really sure what we're doing here. I swear this was like just working. Am I just crazy? How does this not work? Orthographic mode. Oh, that might be true because I was doing the UI. How do I get out of that? The last thing I was doing was messing with the UI. Oh, 2D. Change the 2D. Haha! Oh, you're my savior. Thank you so much. Alright, so there's this little button here. Is the culprit. So relieved. Alright, so let's see, we want to try to make a player object that we can actually tell when he's rotated. So let's go ahead and make a like a cylinder maybe. And that's a little big, so let's try scaling him down. Alright, that's probably decent at least to start with. And then we want to put like a little cube on top of him. And we'll make this a little bit flatter and a little smaller. And then we'll stick it on his front. Alright, that way we can and he doesn't need a box collider. Let's see, I don't know if I need to like group them or something. I think it's already in the group. Alright, so there's our little player object. We can just leave him white for now, I guess. Right. So now I want to make like a camera that goes along with him, right? Actually, I wonder if we should make, let's actually make like an empty game object. And then, we're gonna just stick all that in there. So I think I might want to center it with the cube first. I think we can do that somehow, right? Let's see, how do we make it match the position? There's some way to do that. At least there was in the video I was looking at. let me check real quick what they did. Alright, they made an empty game object. And they dragged it under the cylinder. Ah, there's a reset position. That's what I'm missing. So it's under here, and then there's somewhere up here there was like reset position. There we go. Alright. And then we'll just throw that under there. Ta-da! Alright. So now we've got this. And we want to make a camera that follows it. So let's do this Cinemachine free look camera. Alright, so the camera, we want it to look and follow our player. What else do we want to do? Sure, a lot of options. Let's see, does that actually, okay, nice. So we move the mouse around, and it does move our view around. So that's cool. I'll probably want more ground, right? Or maybe, let's make my ground a lot bigger, actually. There we go. Now we've got some more ground to play with. Alright, let me check what else they do in the video. So we've got our free look camera. We set the follow and the look at. But you can change the orbits. So if we here's our game. We can actually dock these like side by side, which is always pretty cool. And then the camera, let's see, how do we like control? I guess we have to play. So I feel like it's kind of close, right? So we can probably change those orbits. To put him further away. Alright, well, we'll try that for now. Oh, it changes it back though. Alright, we'll go with that. Alright, then I kind of want to make my, we have all this code about the player, right? So, I wonder if I can just assign the prefab of the player to this thing. Oh, maybe that's not what I want to do. Oh, I guess I can just assign the script to the player, maybe. Oh, that was the wrong... Yeah, that's not what we do. Man, I'm such a Unity noob. Let's see, how do we... Oh, I guess we want to like add script. If we add the player controller script, potentially that's all we need to do. But I feel like we should have been using the prefab stuff. Let's see, so we added the script to our player. Potentially that just lets us move him around. Oh, it's still only moving the one guy. Let's see. I guess I shouldn't have waited so long to actually do this. Let's see, we added the script. I mean, we could go ahead and make sure we link up the sound and the stuff, but that shouldn't really matter, I don't think. I mean, we can throw the Hud Manager over there. So this has a lot more other stuff in it, doesn't it? Because it's got the mesh filter, mesh renderer, box collider, rigid body. Whereas, because this is the empty group, right? Right. So there's that stuff for the cylinder and the cube. Man, I really need to I really need to go brush up on my Unity, apparently. So I would have thought it would just let me run the script. Right? Oh, but right, my script kind of expects there to be a rigid body and a collider as part of the thing. But since I made it an empty group, right? That's probably what's wrong. Well, let's disable the script for now. Does that actually disable it? Like, if I just add the script to this thing, I'm curious if it'll move the cube or the cylinder around. No, it doesn't. Why doesn't it move the cylinder? Man, I'm such a Unity noob. Let me check this tutorial video some more. So, how does he add the script? Oh, so he just adds a new script to the empty object. But he does reference, oh, he's using some kind of character controller thing, which is, I think that's a third-party plugin. Which I'm not going to download. Alright, let's see if I can just figure out what I want to do here. Actually, instead of, alright, let's not mess with this, this thing anymore at the moment. Let's just try to make the camera follow our player object instead. And I'm curious how that'll look. Alright, so now you can see it does follow it. But the controls are not related to the direction of the camera, right? It's related to just the way the level's set up. But we're at least going somewhere. Alright, so let's see. I wonder if I can let's see. So we've got this player. Oh, that's an interesting view. Alright, let's go look at our code some. So here we are in the code. So this is how we control our player object. And the movement is handled in the walk handler and the jump handler. And so currently we're doing just getting the axes and moving him in world space. But if we want to do take into account the camera, then we're gonna have to do a little math. So we'll kind of want to have his facing direction be where we want to go. Yeah, this tutorial I was looking at uses some character controller thing, which I don't think I have. Which of course that makes it a little tricky. Alright, so instead what we'll need to do is we're probably going to want to put the third-person camera into our script somehow. So our script currently has some parameters like walk speed, jump speed, and stuff. We're gonna need to put in the camera as well. So I wonder what that's called. How do we refer to that in the code? maybe it's a Cinemachine free look. So I was gonna try to do this, but it probably doesn't know what that is, right? Like, we're gonna need let's see. So we definitely want to refer to it in the code. Maybe we can find a tutorial. I guess I probably should have found a better tutorial to start with. Alright, I don't think that's right. I wonder how it knew what audio source was, so I guess it didn't. I feel like I was having, man, I feel like my autocomplete. I have to create it as a class. Is that what we need to do? Yeah, I'm just not sure where would be the best way to do that. I mean, the stuff we created before, like we didn't create audio source, right? Did we? It already knew what that was. I mean, if I was making my own custom camera, then it would make sense that we need a script for that, but I shouldn't. Like, I should just be able to include the free look camera somehow. Let's see. There's plenty of video tutorials. I just don't know which one I want to try looking at on stream. Let's see. I guess we can always just wing it, right? Let's see. That one tutorial I'm looking at right now doesn't look like it does what I want. Let's see. Yeah, I wish I knew just how to reference it correctly. Hey, how's it going? This stream's a bit of a mess, so I apologize, but that's what happens when I just try to wing it. Alright, well, we could give up on the Cinemachine look And try just going after someone else's tutorial instead. Let's see. Alright, so let's try using a different camera for now. So we're gonna make a new script. In our scripts folder. We're gonna call this one look at camera. Alright, let's delete this one. Delete that thing too. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just drag this onto the main camera to give it the script there. Then we can open it up in the code. Let's bring up the code. Alright, so what we want to do, they have a look at function, so we're gonna put this, so the tutorial I'm looking at says to put it in late update. And we're gonna do this. Then over in Unity, we should be able to set the target of the camera. So somewhere in the camera controls, there should be there's a target texture. We probably need to add yeah, okay. We're gonna throw in here we go. That's how we get a target. So we'll target a game object. So now in our script there will be a target, and we can pass in the player. So that's all pretty straightforward. Alright, so what we should see now is the camera should follow the player around, or it should look at the player. So yeah, you can see on the right pane here, when I move, the camera stays stationary, right? But it is looking at the player. So we've got that kind of working. Got some coins. Alright, but we want it to follow the player as well. So, I'll have to do something else there. So what we can do So we should probably set the offset between the camera and the player. So let's do vector 3 offset. And then when we start up, the offset is the simplest thing is to put it, the difference between the camera and the player to start. Alright, so we're gonna copy this. And what we've got here is that we're gonna move the camera. Basically the target's position plus our offset. We'll just set it. So that should actually move the camera with the or will always be at a constant offset. This is just the very basics of following. Oh, we've got some compile errors. What's wrong here? Wait, what's wrong with the script? Transform does not exist in the current context. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so now you can see, man, it's really hard to control. But yeah, you can see the camera's following him around. And it's staying at a fixed offset. I would like it to move as well, but we'll get there. What we could also do is add some damping to the camera. Let's see, why do we want to do that? Yeah, that way the camera catches up a little slower to the player. It should make it look better. So let's go back to the code. So there's our damping, and when we set the position, we want to just do linear interpolation. So basically, our position, desired position, and then the transform, the linear interpolation. So that should behave a little bit differently. Yeah, so you can see how the character kind of gets away from the camera a little bit. Alright, so let's keep going with this tutorial. It's gonna tell us how to follow better. Kinda like Mario. That's our goal. Alright, so now it's time for math. 3D math. So, rather than this for our position, instead, so we're going to take the target's angle, what does this do exactly? Let me comment out this stuff for now. So this, hey Sherway, you missed me fumbling around terribly earlier, but now I found a tutorial to go after. Alright, let's try this and see what happens. Yeah, I'm such a I'm such a Unity noob. It's painful sometimes. Alright, so now we're below the floor for some reason. That doesn't seem good. Why are we below the floor? So it should be rotating around the Y, but I don't fully. Oh, I think I understand what's going on here. Oops. So because our offset starts above the player, but here in this code I copied, we're subtracting. So that's obviously gonna put us through the floor, I think. So what we might want to do is how do we want to fix that? I think we don't want to change the Y position, basically, right? Right, I think we just want to change the Z position and the X position. But that doesn't seem quite right either. I wonder if instead we just want to say we want to have the Y position equal the target's Y plus the offset Y. I think that'll do it. Oh, hold on, I've got a compiler. What did I do wrong? Line 23. Did I spell something wrong? Let's see, transform position .y. What's it complaining about? Transform.position. Oh, you cannot modify the return value of transform.position. Okay, so we can't do that directly. Which is kind of annoying. Why can't we do that? How do I really can't just modify the Y? I mean, it makes sense if it's just a getter, right? But how do I do that? How do I just change one value of a vector? You have to make a temporary variable. Alright, well that's kind of annoying, but we'll do it. Alright, so temp.y equals this, and then it's temp. Alright, maybe that'll work. Oh, transform doesn't contain. Really? Transform doesn't contain a definition for Y. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay. Can we get away with it like this? I wonder. Maybe that'll work. Alright, that seems to work. And sure enough, it's looks like it's working. Alright, so we're third person in a little bit, but it's not really rotating the camera at all. So let's go back to where we were. Oh, we can also add some damping to this, kind of like how we're lerping the other code. So it's recommended that we can do, let's see, so there's desired angle, but basically we'll just do, so we'll take our current angle and our desired angle, and then we'll interpolate between them. We'll use that there. And that should do what we want. Whoa! that is something else, isn't it? Alright, well, that was not what I expected. So I wonder why that was like that. Is it really just my, I mean, what happens if we cut this stuff out? Oh, you can't see, but, basically I'm just cutting out the extra code I wrote, because I'm curious if I just go with exactly what they have here. Yeah, why is that doing that? So we're trying to lerp angle. I don't know why. I have no idea why that. Alright, well let's just not do that for now. So we'll go back to what we had before. Alright. Please don't be broken. Alright, so we're back. Back to this. Alright, so I would like the rotation to be controlled by the mouse. So let's try doing that. Alright, so we're gonna need a rotate speed. Alright, and then during update, we're gonna look at the X position of the mouse and use that to determine our rotation. So to do that, we just get the X mouse and we can rotate based on that. But that's not going to be following it. Well, for now let's just copy the sample and see what happens. So we'll comment out my stuff. So it looks like this is pretty much the same code as the previous thing. But we're not going to add any damping. Alright, let's see what this one does. Go! Alright, so as you can see, it does rotate the camera correctly. But it currently is not going to affect movement, but we can fix that. But I don't want it to be so low to the ground. But we can fix that by doing this stuff that I had before. So we'll just copy this up here. Oh, I didn't switch windows, but it's just copying that code I had earlier. Alright, so now we're up top. I should probably texture the ground. That would make it easier to tell what's going on. But alright, that's the end of the tutorial. So now I've got to figure out this part for myself. So what I want is I want to move in the direction of the rotation. Alright, so to do that, we're gonna have to change how our player controller works. So what I think we'll do is we can add in the camera, but let's just have it be a game object. Alright, and so then I think in Unity we should be able to assign the camera to our player, right? Yeah, camera. Because camera is just a game object, right? And we're actually probably only going to be using the properties of game object. Alright, so then over in our walk handler, here's where we're going to change stuff. So what we really want is the vertical to control moving forward and backwards in camera space, and the horizontal to control left and right in camera space. But currently it's in world space. So like this is our movement vector, but before we change the position, we need to rotate it, I think, based on the camera. So that's a good question. Oh, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Alright, so what we're gonna want to do is we're kind of gonna want to do something like this that we did, so like it's rotating it by the mouse there, but we're gonna want to like grab the angle and a rotation. And I think we're just gonna want to apply it. Let me think about that. Let me just check real quick. What's the best way to rotate a vector 3? So it looks like potentially we can do rather than what does this Euler thing do? I don't actually know what that does. Alright, so we can do quaternion dot Euler 0 our angle 0 times the movement vector. I think that'll do it. That'll do something for sure. Let's find out what kind of disaster we've created here. Oh, there's target. Target doesn't exist, right? We want the camera. Oh, I probably shouldn't name it camera, apparently. So instead, we'll call it third-person camera. Because, I think there's a member variable called camera. And we don't want to get ourselves in a ton of trouble using that. Alright, so looks like we can't actually move anywhere. That's not super shocking. Oh, hold on. It looks like it unassigned our thing. Alright, let's try now. Alright, so I'm just holding forward, and as you can see, I can move the mouse, and we move forward, we can move backwards too, and left and right also kind of work. So hey, we've got the basics of a third-person camera. Well, it took us an hour to get here and some missteps along the way, but we got it working. Alright, so pretty happy with that. But yeah, if we go look at our code again. But basically, yeah, we're just taking the angle of the camera around the y-axis. It's the y angle, and then we're gonna create this rotation vector around the y-axis with our angle, and then we multiply our movement by it. And with the glory of of vector math, it does what we want. Alright, so one thing I would like to do I kinda wanna make the character I kinda want the character to have a front-facing view, right? So I wonder how I would do that. So like we've got our player prefab. Like I kinda wanna add like a cube onto it or something, right? Let's make it tiny. Alright, so that'll be like his head. If I just do that. Alright, hold on. So we probably want to turn off the box collider because it doesn't need to collide with anything. Okay. But then we also want to make, we kind of want to rotate our character based on our camera position, our camera angle, right? So what we're going to do is, we're going to grab this code we used here, and in update, we want to do, update, character rotation to match camera. So we're going to grab that camera again, but rather than movement, we want to do maybe something like this. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I want to see what that does. Not really, as you can see. I'm some kind of skills, that's for sure. So why didn't that work? That's what happens when you don't know what you're doing. Unity is not my forte, so don't expect pro level Unity code coming out of me. But this is a learning experience. Oh, it's been pretty good. I woke up at like noon and got some lunch, and yeah, good to see you again. So I'm trying to make a third-person game. If yeah, I was pretty tired, so I slept pretty late. I kind of want to sleep some more, but then I won't be able to go to sleep tonight. I had some chicken tenders. Not very exciting, I know. So I'm trying to make a third-person game here. So you can see that I've got what types of games do I like? I like all types of games, honestly. I try all types of random games. It'd probably be easier to talk about games I don't like. I generally don't play any sports games. I don't know, they're not super interesting to me. Alright, so but yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I want to make the character rotate based on the camera position. And so I'm trying to figure out what the math is I need for that. I wonder actually if I can just set them to match the angle. I wonder what that does. Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, I used to play. One of my friends used to like some football game, and I could never get into it. Let's see. So this doesn't work. Oh, because I want to set. I only want to change the YA rotation, right? Not the X and the Z. Sorry, I had to sneeze there. Man, it off-centered me. There we go. Alright, so let me think. So that's the Y. I assume this returns. That's the angle. Oh, I know what's wrong, so we want to do, we want to keep the original X and Z, right? Let's try that out. Sorry, I didn't have a code showing, but I think I want to keep the original X and Z and just rotate the Y to match the camera. And we're gonna see what that does. No, it apparently just spins us around in a circle. Why is that happening? Why is the camera spinning around? Oh, the camera would be spinning because the camera is also based on the... Okay, so the camera is based on the character's angle. Okay, I understand what's going on there. So what I really want is, I really want some, like, graphics that are separate from the rigid body, probably. Yeah, because, my camera's using the target, which is the player, and it's rotating based on that. So when you have them both rotate based on each other, that's when you spin around in a circle. So instead, what we might be able to do is, if we can just like offset the player somehow. Oh, this is interesting too. I've got the rotation frozen. But that's for the physics. Yeah, I think I really want to, I wonder if I could I could probably add new parameters to my script. Have I ever finished a full original game? That's a great question. That's a great question. Do you want to see some of the games I've worked on? I can do that. That'll be a nice break. Because you can actually play with me if you want. Let me bring up one of my games. Which one should we play? What was it called again? Man, I'm blanking out. I'm gonna have to go look up my my own game names. let me log in. Let me log into here real quick. Hey, how's it going over on YouTube? Oh, I need an authenticator code to log in. Hold on. One moment. Alright, first off we'll try to play the shooty game, maybe. Let me load it up, one moment. Alright, here we go. Oh, I should probably share it. Hold on, let me play in a private tab so we don't we don't end up with any accidents. Now hold on. Alright, so here we are. Let me post a link for you. Alright, so what we're gonna do is wait for you to join. So for now we can start with the default loadout, and if you just hit quick match, it should connect you to me. Yeah, you gotta have pew pews. Let me know. Oh, okay. So you can move around with WASD, and then spacebar shoots your current weapon, and you can switch between 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can press the numbers as well. So you've got a energy bar at the top, and the different bullets do different things. So yeah, that's the idea behind this is it's like a bullet hell shooter, but versus. It's actually really hard to hit the other person right now, but because they are probably pretty good at dodging, right? But yeah, so yeah, pretty cool, huh? I mean, this one's the easiest to hit them with. But the idea is, you shoot the slow ones to like limit their movement, and then you shoot the fast ones to corner them. But Yeah, let's see if I can kill you. The energy probably comes up a little too slow right now, and it's a little it's a little janky, I think, but you know, such is the dev life. Oh, I gotcha. So I added a few different weapons. The laser is the coolest. You shoot out a giant laser. I can show you real quick against the AI. For some reason, the AI runs way faster. But yeah, there's the laser. It's just a ginormous, you know, so that's one game I was working on. So then the other one, let's see. Do I want to play that one? Actually, let's play, well, let me see. Yeah, I think this other one will be probably better, quicker at least. Alright, so here's my other game. I didn't make this one on stream. This one I made like in 2020. And well, you probably want to go through the tutorial first. There's a tutorial in navigation and a tutorial in shooting. I can go through them right now though. So here's basic training, and so we're on the water, and you're trying to control your ships. And so basically, you decide the heading of your ship and how fast you want to go. Alright. And then you hit submit, and that's your move for the round. And so you want to finish this tutorial, you need to end up in the target area. And so, since my ship was already moving this way, it's still got some momentum from the previous round. So that's why when I turn, it kind of does the drifting move, which is pretty cool. I didn't quite get there this turn. And then I need to kind of turn around if I don't want to go off the edge. So yeah, there's obstacles as well. You kind of just bounce off obstacles. So, and they do block shots. Cool. Yeah, I added this tutorial because it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard to just play. And so you can also have multiple ships, and so you can just switch between them. And so for this mission, you need to have the ships go to the two different areas. So we don't want to go that fast. And then we'll do the other ship. And I tried to position them such that you had to it wasn't like trivial to just get in the zone. Alright, so that's the movement. We'll do the shooting tutorial next. So shooting's pretty easy too. Your ships have 3 bullets, that's the orange. And it's a little complicated though. So like you decide where you're going, right? But then when you want to shoot, you have to place your shot on this timeline. So if you use this button, that's the earliest you could shoot, and that'll place the shot. And you can shoot as many times as you have bullets. So I can slide up to the next part, and then I can shoot again if I want. So you see it shot 2 out. I only needed 1 to kill the target though. And so there's a preview button as well. So this one I made such that the idea is you can't shoot right away. If you try to shoot right away, here's the preview, it'll just hit the wall. So instead of that shot, you wait until your ship's a little bit further, and then you can shoot. And that should do it. Alright, and then there's land as well. The blue number's your health. So for this, we'll just shoot at this guy. Yeah, it's a little complicated to get used to, but once you figure it out, I think it's not too bad. So we can probably hit him with that, right? And then if you use the little arrows, it's like the next possible spot you could shoot. So the bullet's still traveling. We'll shoot another one just to make sure it gets there, in case I missed. I did miss him. There we go. Alright, and then here's the final round. So we just need to kill both of these guys. That guy takes 2 shots. And then this guy only takes 1. And then we switch to our other ship. Get off 1 shot early on this guy. You can tell I've done this quite a lot. Oh, and so here's like the final mission. This is an AI-controlled ship, but we'll just shoot at him a lot. The AI is pretty stupid. It generally just comes towards your ships. So, generally going to be pretty easy to kill it. So we'll spam a lot of shots. And he's definitely dead, so I don't even have to do anything. So if you finish the tutorial, we can try to play as well. Just let me know when you're ready. But yeah, there's also like a squad builder and stuff, so you can add all kinds of different ships. So there's like my I made some ship girls. They're my own graphics. Are you ready? All right. So just hit play, and that'll match us up. Assuming everything works. But yeah, just hit play. Hopefully you didn't hit play AI. Oh, you did hit play. Well, hold on. It must not be working then. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the first step is setting up your ships. You can kind of just drag them around wherever you want. However you feel like starting. And then hit submit when you're done. Cool, cool. And as soon as you hit submit, you should see my ships pop up. Alright, here we go, round 1. Alright, so yeah, just, decide what you want to do and make some moves. But, don't spy on me, that's cheating. Let's see, so then I'll move this ship. He'll go that way. Maybe I'll wait a little while and shoot. And you get 1 bullet back every round. So it kind of makes sense to just shoot at least a few times. So I think there might be a bug, but did you actually put in any shots? Because I played someone recently and they were having problems with it, but I thought it had worked before. But make sure, so take note, if you put a shot in, but then you change your movement, it will erase all your shots. So make sure you move your ship first, and then put in your shots. Alright, let's see. How do we catch you here? Okay, cool. But yeah, make sure you move your ship first and then put the shots in. Let's see, there we go. Let's we'll do that. And then this guy, he'll go slow maybe. And I'll wait for you to submit your moves. Okay, looks like you're good. Because it does start a timer when one person submits. Oh, it looks like I got your ship there. So if you want to see what happened, you can click this rewatch round button, and it'll replay what happened. So it looks like you got one shot off on me there, from up there. And it looks like I'm about to hit myself. So let's see if I can dodge that bullet by just gunning it this direction. This guy, he'll turn around and try to kill you. And then this guy, he'll also turn around. Maybe fire a bullet there. Maybe fire a bullet up there. I mean, I am the developer, so don't feel bad. I'm probably getting hit there. I mean, it looks like you've hit... That guy's gonna have like 1 health left. And then this guy has 2. So... And I'll be running low on bullets. But, oh, this guy did get hit. I did hit your red guy there 2 times. So that is pretty rough. Alright, looks like you're ready. Here we go. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got that guy too. So, yeah, I wasn't able to dodge that bullet though. And you're about to hit me here, but I might be able to dodge it. We'll try dodging it. This guy needs to turn around. Well, now it should be easier for you to play, right? You've only got 1 ship. It's not as hard to put moves in. He's got 3 bullets. Make sure to fire off as many bullets as you can. Because you'll probably be dead. I gotcha. So you killed one of my ships. That's not bad. So you can view the whole thing with view replay here to watch the whole match again. So yeah. So you can actually change up what ships you play with as well, if you want. But did you want to just play again with the defaults? So just hit play when you're ready. Okay, yeah, I have the default ships. We got the same map, but that's fine. Alright, I'm ready. Bring it on. Alright, looks like you set up a little differently this time. And remember, you recover 1 bullet every round, so you might as well shoot the first round at least once. Alright, I've got some shots ready for you. I'll wait for you to submit first, though. But yeah, this is the most complete game I've made, probably. I never released it or anything, though. I mean, it's on the internet, you can play it, but I never really got anyone to try to play it. I did make that tutorial, though, to make it a little easier to jump into. I should probably make like a story mode, but whenever you start building a campaign for a game, it always takes a lot longer. Alright. Not off to as much bad of a start this time, huh? Let's see, what do we want to do? I don't think that shot's gonna hit anybody, but I might as well shoot it. Let's see, how do we dodge this? We're really gonna unload here. Well, I'm glad you like it. I do think it's pretty fun. I just, there's a lot more work that needs to go into the art. That's for sure. Some of the ship graphics I either made myself or I got some free assets. It's all in the credits page. I think I made this this hovercraft thing by editing another ship graphic, maybe? I don't remember. Alright, this round's gonna be crazy. Looks like I dodged most of your ships, but I'm about to die right here. And most of my bullets missed. So, let's see here. Man, you got a really good shot there, too. I didn't think you'd know I'd turn around. This guy's super dead, so we'll see if he gets a shot off or not. Make sure you stay on the board. If you end the turn off the board, you die. You can go out a little bit just to Make sure you finish off on the board. Yeah, it's not looking as good for me this turn. You did a good job laying down a thick fire there, hard to get through. Potentially I should have just gone straight at you. Yeah, you smoked that guy. Alright, how can I turn this around? Alright, I think that's my best option. It gets a little trickier when you're down to only one bullet left. You can't just kind of spam tons of bullets. But I bet you'll be able to kill my top ship. It'll be pretty hard for him to escape. We'll see though. Alright, looks like you're ready. Here we go. Oh, I got you there. Yeah, it looks like you didn't... Did you not put in a move for that guy, or... See, it looks like he wasn't doing anything. I forgot. Yeah, I'll try to make sure you always put something in. And you can double check with the preview button if you want, but it does increase the amount of time that it takes. So like I can preview what I'm doing there. Hopefully that works. If I can eliminate your other ship, I'll be in a pretty good spot. Yeah. I mean, I definitely could have some bugs, so... Sorry if it doesn't work. Alright, here we go. Oh, nice, you got me. Nice shot. Yeah, I missed. Alright. I'm down to one guy left. So I have to decide whether I want to try to dodge you and get some bullets back, or try to dogfight. So just so know, when you do bump into enemy ships, potentially it throws it off, so you won't be able to make your shots that turn. But like basically, if you bump, like if I have a shot going out straight, but I bump so that I turn and that's not in my firing arc anymore, then the shot won't go off. No, I'm the one with one ship now. Oh, he got me. Yeah, I was trying to get away, but you can turn and get him pretty quick sometimes. Let's see. Alright, we'll try this out, see how it goes. But yeah, my inspiration for this game is basically like X-Wing, the tabletop game, which I do stream a decent amount. But I wanted to make it more active, less. I mean, it's still turn-based, but I don't know. I think it turned out okay. Deck on it. I was hoping I'd be able to dodge your shot and get you with 2 shots. Nice job. But yeah, down here at the bottom, I should have just gone straight. That would have dodged most of those shots. And then I missed that shot. That was a shame. Yeah, I almost dodged you there. But yeah, good game. But yeah, there's a bunch of different little ships I made. Glad you liked it. But yeah, there's like a huge ships and there's like ship girls as well. So feel free to try it out in your free time. I have a Discord actually. If you type bang Discord, I think. So there's a link if you want. You can join my Discord and come hang out. No, I've shown this game off on stream before. But yeah, feel free to drop in my Discord and say hi. Alright, let's see. Do I want to try to do anything else with Unity today? I don't know. Cool, yeah. If you have any suggestions or anything, just drop them down. I've got one more game that I made on stream that I didn't show you, but you can go check the archives if you want. It's a tactics game. And I'd be up for playing it later, but I'll probably finish up streaming in a few minutes here. I just I'm trying to decide if I want to try to get try to fix this rotation bug. So I think what I want to do is I really need like another object. Because what I should really have is I should really have a separate object from the rigid body. Like, the camera should be connected to, like, some kind of ghost object, right? I'm just not sure the best way to do that. Yeah, so here we go. So, let's add another object. A cube. This will be the, camera focus. And let's put it, we'll put it above the player's head. And, what we want to do is the camera should target the camera focus object. I think that's what I want. Oh, but then the rotation... How does the rotation work? Mostly just working. What else do I do? I watch a lot of anime with one of my friends. We usually watch pretty late. We keep up with most of the shows each season. am I watching? That's a great question. Pretty much everything. Oh, 86. I have mixed opinions on 86. I feel like sometimes it gets a little too heavy-handed. I don't know how to describe it really. So let's check out what did I watch in winter. So Titan was amazing. Demon Slayer was amazing. The cosplay show, it's really well animated, but I don't know, the main girl was kind of like too perfect. But it's a decent show. Arifureta season 2, it's okay. This harem show's trash. I watched season 1 of Vanitas, but I wasn't a big fan. Bisco's kind of been a disaster in my opinion, but let's see. Genius Prince has been pretty good. The Sage show, it's been okay. Kind of bland. Yeah, Bisco's just way too weird. Realist Hero's been good. I've liked that. I'm not really into BL, so I skipped that. This one didn't look that great. Kabi-chan. Never have I seen a show that's so well animated, but there's like nothing that happens. I don't know. I don't understand. It's fun to watch though. Leodale's been pretty interesting. Yeah, Bisco is just nonsense all around. This one with the guy that gets turned into a girl, it's kind of funny, but it's kind of trash. Princess Connect's been good. This other Kenja show, it's been kind of bad. Yeah, I definitely agree. Tokyo 24 has been pretty bad. Slow Loop I dropped, it was too slow. Go figure. I didn't even try this. Raymond's Club was kind of bad. Doll's Frontline's been okay, but their action scenes are pretty terrible. The Police Officer show's been good. Baseball, I dropped this. It was too stupid. Monster Development's been kind of funny. I did watch soccer. The voice acting show's been interesting, but there's way too many characters. Yeah, I've seen Steins Gate. It's really good. Definitely enjoyed that a lot. Shenmue's been good. I mean, Shenmue's kind of bad though. But I've been enjoying this Precure as well. I'm a big Precure fan. And I guess that's about it for this season. But yeah, as you can see, I watch quite a lot of shows. I'm excited for Shield Hero next season, and Kaguya, and Spy Family. All those will be really amazing. Oh yeah, Hoseki no Kuni's really great. Definitely recommend it. But yeah, I don't know, lots of good stuff. Yeah, sometimes the CG actually works pretty well. Sometimes it's terrible though. Yeah, there's quite a lot of good anime. I mean, even if a show's bad, it can still be entertaining, right? But yeah, I haven't been up to much else. I've been rock climbing recently. That's pretty fun. That's my current exercise. Oh wow. Trips abroad, those are always cool. I went to Japan right before COVID, actually, which great timing on my part. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, I like rock climbing. It's a lot more interesting than just, going to the gym and running or something. Oh, wow. That's a really long trip. Alright, so I know what I need to do here, but I just don't know the best way to do it. Like, basically, the camera needs to look at this cube, and then I need to rotate the player. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about it some more. I'm still pretty noob at rock climbing. I only started in January, so pretty newbie. I can climb most of the V1s in my gym. I can do, so I'm decent. All right, well I think I'm actually gonna stop here for today. But good talking to you. Hopefully I can redeem myself with programming later. Maybe I'll mess around with this in my free time. Get it to a point where maybe next week I can fix it up a little. Yeah, I hadn't been going anywhere because COVID. Oh, golf? That's pretty fun. My dad likes to golf a lot, but I never got into it. Yeah, thanks. Alright, well, that's it for today. I'll be playing X-Wing either today or tomorrow, I'm not sure. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I had to reschedule. So, I'll definitely have that at some point, and then we'll get the next round of the league as well, next week. But, next week I'll probably play, Tunic maybe, or, I don't know what else. But yeah, thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you later, bye!